Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unban WhatsApp number. So let's begin with the steps. Now in case if your number has been banned on WhatsApp, you cannot follow these steps through the WhatsApp application. Instead, what you have to do is you have to simply launch any web browser or search engine on your mobile device. So for instance, I'm just gonna launch Safari. Now you can go to any search engine and simply search for WhatsApp support here. Now once you come across the search results, simply tap on the official website of WhatsApp, that is www.whatsapp.com, and simply tap on the link that says Contact WhatsApp on top. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, just under WhatsApp Messenger support, simply tap on the blue text that says Contact Us. Okay, let me tap on it. Now once you come to this page, you have to select your country code according to your region. So you can select your country code from the countries list given here. After this, you have to simply enter your mobile number in this field given here. Now you have to start by entering your email address. Okay, here we go. Now simply confirm your email address by entering it again. After you have entered your email address, simply select the type of device that you have been using WhatsApp on. So in my case, I'm using iPhone. Now if you scroll down below, you have to enter your message below for WhatsApp. So this is the message that I have typed. So in this field, you have to enter your message, that is the problem that you have been facing about how your number has been banned. So after entering in your message, simply tap on the option of next step at the bottom of your screen. Now once you come here, you can also tap open any of these articles if you find these helpful. If not, simply tap on the option of send question at the bottom right, which is sending your message to WhatsApp. After this, you will come to this page where it is confirmed that your question has been sent, and it may take up to 3 working days for WhatsApp to respond to you. So the feedback sent by WhatsApp will be in your email address. So do not forget to check that within the mentioned time period right here, which is 3 business days. Or sometimes WhatsApp can also send you their feedback sometime early. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.